Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming a payment method. This lets you use trials or buy cloud-enabled titles. Once signed in, open Xbox. .com/play in a supported browser or the Xbox app on Windows or Android and choose Play. Make sure your controller pairs and inputs register. Press the Xbox button to confirm. You do this now so the service recognizes you and the device, which prevents interruptions later when you pick a free-to-play or purchased cloud game. Next, search the cloud library for games that allow streaming without Game Pass. Use filters for browser play or streaming and focus on free-to-play titles or demos first because they remove purchase friction. If you want a full game, buy it individually from the Microsoft Store. Once purchased, select Play to stream. Make sure regional restrictions don't block cloud access, and verify your account shows ownership. This is why checking purchase status and region is essential before expecting instant streaming. Finish by optimizing network and device settings so streaming stays smooth. Connect via Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, target 10 plus Mbps and low ping, and close background apps that eat bandwidth. Enable hardware acceleration in your browser or Xbox app to reduce latency. If the stream stutters or won't start, clear browser cache, update GPU drivers, and power cycle your router and controller. These steps resolve most problems quickly. If still broken, sign out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.